What is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel and to this video. I think I know why you're here. You want to know how to take down or uninstall this flush mount ceiling light. So hopefully this video can help you out. If you are just stopping by and this is your first time to my channel, click that subscribe button if you're interested in regular do-it-yourself home projects and home product reviews around the house. I try to put out videos weekly. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started. Turn that light switch to the on position and head on down to the breaker box. You'll be killing the electricity for this outlet or this light or this room. Just to be sure, you can turn off adjacent rooms as well. Be really careful here. I am not a licensed electrician, so if you're not comfortable with this job, be sure to hire one. I'm just a do-it-yourself handyman. All right, head on back up, and you should see that that light automatically turned off with the light switch on the on position. Go ahead and flicker it just to make sure, and the electricity should now be powered off. Get a ladder. Climb on up and you'll remove the little nipple that secures the glass to the unit itself, and there might be a little lock nut on there you have to take off, and then very carefully remove that glass and put the nipple and the nut inside and secure that. Now you can take your light bulbs out at this point if you would like, but you're going to basically be looking for some set screws. There are 3 of them in this particular unit. Yours might be a little different. And so we're going to take our screwdriver. You could also use a drill. Just be careful not to strip out the screws. And you're going to just loosen those up. You don't have to take them all the way out. Just loosen them, because with them loosened, this entire unit should now twist off. Should twist counterclockwise. And then you should be able to pull it down. Obviously, I have one hand filming, so I'm going to put the camera down. No, I did it with one hand there. But it should go a little smoother if you have 2 hands, right? And then at this point, all of the weight is now bearing on the wires themselves. So you're going to want to hold the unit in place with your left hand as you go ahead and untwist the wire connections there. Again, the power should be off, so no issues there. Again, make sure that breaker box is off before you do this. And you're just going to untwist the little cap, the little wing nuts there, little plastic wing nuts, and put those in your pocket or toss them on the floor. Now, if you're reinstalling something, you're going to want to take notice to which colors are attached to which, because maybe that will help you out. This video will not go over how to, reconnect anything, ground, hot, neutral, all that good stuff. You can search a different YouTube video on how to do that. Now, if you still have your bulbs in place, you can go ahead and take those out and possibly replace them in your new fixture if you are installing a new fixture. In my case, I'm doing a ceiling fan, and we're not going to do that. You can search my channel for instructions on how to install a ceiling fan, basically from this point. But if you are doing a ceiling fan or something different, you might want to remove this little metal plate, the mount here for the flush mount ceiling light. And to do that, there's 2 set screws, and just back those all the way out, and then that should come out pretty easily. In my case, I'm reinstalling or installing a ceiling fan, and it requires this different mount, this ball mount feature that kind of hangs down, and that is the end product. So we'll go ahead and stop the video there. Pretty easy job for you. Hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for joining me. Click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.